Now, finally, we have decided which kind of solution we have to adopt for refresh the glass. Due to the fact that the felt is new, first time you must be sure compound is it's over there everywhere in the part. Because the other way you risk you have some dry part, and this is not good. Okay, we are ready. The second step with our special loop wall pad is because it's more friendly in case you ever created some micro scratches with the first steps. And another good benefit is a less splashing system. And especially when you have some car closer to where you polish it, it's not necessary you cover the other car with this system. This is patented from Mirka. Now, finally, we have found the proper solution also for glass. You can see now easily big difference from before and after. Of course, we have the old glass, then with some old small rock broken, but the clearly and the transparency is perfectly refreshed.